Come along with us as I give you a tour of our Airbnb. This Airbnb is located in Winter Haven, Florida. It is minutes away from Legoland. It is pet friendly and spacious. There's one whole room dedicated to a play area for little ones. Love the colors. Now onto the game room. This would also be a teen-friendly Airbnb. There's air hockey, a Mrs. Pac-Man machine, a pool table, you have a washer and dryer to do your laundry, and there's a little kitchenette that little ones can play with in the corner. Now moving on to the dining area and a fully equipped kitchen. It had a double oven. I couldn't believe it. So we ended up getting frozen pizzas, so this way we could do 4 of them at a time. There's my Lucy. Moving along, I'm going to go down the hallway to show you where the bedrooms are. The first spare room you come to has 2 bunk beds, and the bottom half has like a more full or queen size, and the top half is a twin. Ooh, there's board games in the closet. The second spare room has a queen size bed, and I'm loving these corner windows right there. I thought it was lovely. Now we're going on to the guest bathroom. Everything was very neat and tidy and clean. There was plenty of towels, plenty of amenities. Everything was perfect. This is the perfect Airbnb if you're going to have a Legoland experience. Okay, now we're moving on to the spacious master suite. Everything was perfect. The bed was comfortable. Everything was clean. Linens were good. And in the bathroom, there was a double sink. And then there was 2 showers. So there was a tub and a shower. And then there was 1 shower stall that was just a shower. It was the perfect Airbnb. I'm telling you, if you're going to Legoland, find this Airbnb. It's the donkey for me reading the newspaper on the toilet. Plenty of towels. Plenty of pool towels and plenty of just regular towels when you're taking a shower. Now we're going to move on to the closet. This closet's massive. Oh my God, this closet's huge. Moving on to the most exciting part, because this is in the middle of the state of Florida and it is hot. And it is highly recommended to have a pool at your Airbnb, and it's screened in. It had a lovely sitting area. There was also a hot tub that you could jump in if you wanted to, but it's a perfect sitting area to sit there and watch your kiddos swim in the pool. Everything was perfectly maintained. Also very relaxing when you're the first person up and having your coffee. I cannot say enough nice things about this Airbnb. It is pet friendly, it is family friendly, kid friendly, teen friendly, in minutes from Legoland. Okay, after the kiddos were done swimming, we had a Motor City Company Supreme, we had a Red Baron brick oven pepperoni, we had a Tombstone cheese frozen pizza, and then we also had a thin and crispy barbecue chicken, great value. All of them were decent. We didn't have any complaints. There it is, the Motor City frozen pizza. Mr. Siobhan Shaw, our son-in-law, he cooked up all the pizzas for us. We didn't have to worry about a thing. And of course, mine and Mr. Lucas's favorite was the Motor City Company Supreme. Oh, okay. Spout corner. Bag Caesar salad for the win to go along with the pizza. Going in with the toss to perfectly distribute all the dressing. I'm very aware of how exciting this is.
I already got it. So I'm getting one for Christmas.
All right, Mary, what are you eating?
Cheese and pepperoni. The cheese tastes pretty good. I haven't tried the pepperoni yet. And a Caesar salad.
The Caesar salad's good. Is it good? Garlic powder? Red pepper flake? Yes.
No.
Oh, geez. Now it's time to kick their butts in some air hockey. This is such a nice and quiet neighborhood. Friends, this was the best Airbnb. If I can find the information, I'm going to link it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. We're on to Legoland tomorrow.